Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about some Yearn Finance news that just come out, and I wanted to share those news with all of my subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to get notified when I do new news related topic videos. So the first news event that's happened with Yearn Finance was the launch of its new product Yar Vault V4. This new vault offers a number of improvements over previous versions, including high yields. Yearn Vault V4 uses a number of new strategies to generate high yields for users. Lower fees. Yearn Vault V4 has a lower fees than previous versions, making it more affordable for users. More flexibility. Yearn Vault V4 offers users more flexibility in terms of how they invest their funds. On October 17th this year, 2023, Yearn Finance announced that it had integrated with the Polygon blockchain. This integration will allow Yearn users to access the Polygon ecosystem and take advantage of its low fees and fast transaction times. On October 16th, 2023, Yearn Finance announced that it had raised 25 million in a Series A funding round. This funding will be used to accelerate development of new products and expand into new markets. So these were the most important topics of Yearn Finance. I will also go over in detail how much one Yearn Finance coin is worth today. So stay tuned there, 2 seconds. So one Yearn Finance coin is worth $4,947. It has gone down 3% the last day, so it's probably going to go up a bit again, I think. This coin is a great coin. Several reasons why, but it's in my opinion, one of the biggest DeFi projects out there. So do your own research on any coin you might want to invest in. This is just informational content, not financial advice in any way, but make sure you check out some of the links I have below this video. It will help me a lot if you actually use those links. You will get deposit bonuses and extra perks when you use those, and it will help me to further create my videos and create better videos for you, upgrading my software and everything here back home. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and remember, make sure you learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you will learn, my friend. Have a great day. Take care.